Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Emir and Rufa's vlog. I would like to share with you in this particular vlog one of our overnight camping trips. And eto medyo memorable siya because nagsimula kami na maaraw, umikot kami, and then eventually umulan. Kaya ang iniisip namin baka mamaya hanggang gabi uulan, no? But alhamdulillah, medyo nag-clear ang araw at nagkaroon kami ng oras na mag-enjoy sa gabi. Nagkaroon kami ng bonfire, nagkwentuhan, may konting pagkain, may konting music. And let me share it with you. We had our bonfire. Masarap ang kwentuhan, masarap ang hangin. Matagal kami nakatulog at in-enjoy namin yung time, no? That's part of camping, you know, like kayo lang, ibang walang internet, walang TV, just the nature, appreciating your company, the people around you, kwentuhan and all that. So, we love to be closer to nature. We love the sound of the chirping crickets and all that, the sound of the bonfire, and also the sound of our voices. And it's also one way of trying to make Rufa open up to me, and me also sharing my, issues with Rufa, and in a atmosphere that's very positive. Rufa and I are really outdoorsy. We love the feel of the wind on our faces, the feel of the sun on our faces. So, hindi kami masyadong maarte. We just love, open air, the wind, the sun, the sea. And it makes us closer to God. That's how we see things. Like, simple lang, konting pagkain, konting, it can survive with just 1 gallon of water, konting pagkain, no luxuries, simpleng CR. It's all about that, it humbles you, it makes you human, it makes you closer to your God, and make your life very, very simple. And through it, we know our priorities. Thank you for watching our vlog. Please follow and like our page for more videos. Thank you.